Well, g'day throttlers, welcome back to the channel. It's an absolute cracker day in Sydney today, and I've been invited, I'm on the street glide, I'm on Nola, but I've been invited to come out here and ride the brand new Indian Pursuit. Now, I've intentionally done no research on this bike, I know nothing about it. It's a friend's bike and he's offered me to ride it today, and I wanted to ride it as a blank canvas. I already love Indian motorcycles. When I rode the Challenger when it first arrived in Australia, I fell in love with it. I think Indians are fantastic bikes. So I thought I'd ride the Street Glide out today and jump on the Indian Pursuit straight after it, and just so I can feel the differences and sort of try and convey them to you guys. And in particular, if you're watching this video and you're not a regular subscriber, you're probably watching it because of the title being all about the Indian Pursuit. G'day team, I've been up here all morning this morning out near Picton on the Indian Pursuit, and it's an absolute weapon. It's kind of, and Harley people don't hate me here, but it's kind of what a Harley should be when it comes to what you get from the factory. The suspension is absolutely amazing. It's like riding on a cloud over potholed roads in Sydney, and it's just spot on. It's so comfortable. It's got an electric windscreen that rises and falls, and so you can adjust it whether you on a windy road and you want more protection, or you put it down if you want more wind flow. But let's have a quick walk around the bike and have a look. But the Pursuit, oh, big thumbs up from me. All right, coming in, looks really nice. The paintwork is a matte paintwork, but it's got like a metal flake pearl through it, and it's absolutely beautiful. The sun shines so nicely. Now, this being the Pursuit, has a big size top box that fits 2 full-size helmets in there. The seat is absolutely awesome. I'll get my bald head shadow out of there. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful motorcycle. You can see the Pursuit logo there. Obviously, it's an Indian, so it's got the beautiful Indian head on the front guard, the front fender. I guess this is probably the you either love them or you hate them, like the shark's mouth, like the Road Glide in the Harley range. Personally, I think it looks really nice. I think it looks really stylish actually, but yeah, it's a personal thing. You either love them or hate them. Nice little spotlights, fog lights down low. That's a really good addition, I think. Switch on the dashboard, but that allows you to be very well seen no matter where you're riding and in what conditions. Obviously it's a touring bike, so it's got the big bags, it's got the big top box, and the dash is just absolutely stunning. I like the fact that the tacks are at the top, so just under your line of vision, your tacks are there, and that's the important thing for me. When I see bikes with the infotainment center above the tacks, for me that's all wrong. But this is set up really, really nicely. You can see that's the fog light switch there. Got a charging point here, a cigarette lighting charging point. Really nice. Now this is obviously a big win when the windscreen can go up and down at the flick of a switch. Great technology, and in fact it's old technology. Even Chewy's Kawasaki has this technology, and yet Harley-Davidsons don't have it. Amazing. I'm not bagging Harleys, I love my Harley, but they need to pull their finger out and get some action going. Anyway, that's a nice little walk around on this beautiful Pursuit. I need to let this gentleman get to work, and I need to get home, but what a beautiful machine. Love it. Look, I'm just out at Uluru on my holiday. It's a rainy day today, so I've been editing up this video, and I realised that I didn't close it out properly. So I just want to say thank you for the lend of the bike for the day. It was absolutely spectacular. And one thing that I didn't say in that, and it needs to be said, is the suspension
on the Indian Pursuit is absolutely spot on. It's so silky smooth, like riding on a cloud. And again, if you want a Harley to feel that good, you need to spend about $3.5 grand to make your Harley feel as comfortable as that. So a big thumbs up for the Indian Pursuit. I'm so happy I got to ride it. I'm very appreciative. And look, if you're even half interested in the Pursuit, make sure you go and test ride it. Test ride any of the Indians. They're beautiful, beautiful motorcycles. Anyway, this afternoon the sun's going to come out, so I need to get onto this edit, get this video out as quickly as possible so I can get out and enjoy the beautiful Aussie outback again. So anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Throttle on. See you soon.